how to use Google Bard AI step by step. Now Google Bard, which was previously or formerly known as Google Bard, is not called Google Bard anymore. It is called Google Gemini. So Bard, which is Google's own AI model, has now been renamed to Gemini. So to use Gemini or Bard in this case, you just go to gemini.google.com and you just log in with your Google account, because it just runs using a Google account. Now there you have the free version of Gemini and you have the paid version, which is called Gemini Advanced, which you can choose to upgrade it from using these options. Now here you can simply actually give it any prompt or whatever else it is that you prefer. And once you give it any prompt, there are many advantages of using Gemini, and you also have the option to upload an image and analyze what the image is about. So unlike ChatGPT, where you will require a premium to even upload an image, on Gemini you don't need premium to upload an image. Even the free version of Gemini can help you analyze the images based on what it is. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.